Guys, so I have this little car. I love it. When I say I love it, I want to show you guys how to be able to change the battery. Unfortunately, it just stopped working. I did hear that the batteries go out a lot. This is my new hobby, y'all. I love RC cars. I used to like them when I was young, but when I say I love this little car, I purchased it on Facebook Marketplace. When I say, guys, these cars go for like about 130. I got it for $70. Very good condition. Love it, love it, love it. It comes with, here is the actual little remote that it comes with. You just put batteries inside of here. This is the controller. It comes with a controller and a charger. Fortunately, I'm going to show you guys how to be able to change the battery, okay? Okay, guys, the first time I purchased this, I wound up purchasing a long one. They do have one like this, y'all, that is long. So please make sure you get the right battery. And also make sure it has the red and the black, because there was so many different ones. I'm going to attach the original, the one that you need to this. I was so distraught when I made a mistake and purchased the wrong one. But here we go, y'all. Look, this is the new one right here. What you want to do first is go ahead and open this up right here. You should be able to just lift it up because it has Velcro. See, just go ahead and get that open. And then this is where the power button is, because I had no clue how to do the power button. You press this button right here. There's a power button. Just hold that down and it start. This is where the battery goes. The battery, the old battery was inside of, like, it goes inside of here. You got to make sure you take this little clippy thing off first to be able to get the battery out, because I took it out already. But you take this clippy thing out. You just kind of clip that out, and then you find, pull the battery out, and you'll see where it says the red button right there. The red right there, you just take it and just pull it out. Okay, so this is the old battery. That's how you get the battery out. How we're going to put it back in, same exact way. We're going to just go ahead and slip it through here. And again, guys, we're going to just slip it through here. Wait, hold on. Take this first, and then it'll tell you the red. And you got to be able to get all these cords, y'all, back in here. I know it's crazy, but you got to be able to get the cords in here nice and neat. So you play with it and see how you can be able to get it nice and neat. Okay, so then we got the cord right here. You see the cord? Let's move all this out. See the cord right there? And we're going to put it right inside of this little red button right here. Put that right in there. Just clip it right in. Okay, there we go. We clipped it in. Okay, now guys, the other half, y'all, is for, you got another half, and that half actually goes inside when you're charging. You just plug that up right there, and you plug that up, and you plug that up to the wall, okay, and the charger should charge. That is how you put the battery in. Again, you just slip it through, put it inside that little red thing. I've seen no videos showing how to be able to do that, so I wanted to show you guys how to do that. And what I'm going to do, guys, again, let's turn it on. We're going to turn on the this first, and then we'll turn on. Let's see. I'll show you how it works. Hey, guys, hopefully that helped you. Again, this is the charger. If you just need a charge, you just charge it and put it inside there. Yay, y'all, it works, it works, it works. See, let's turn it on. Okay. There we go. She back. Yay. Okay. Any questions, guys? Let me know. And if you got one of these, let me, I want y'all guys to tell me how y'all like it. Because when I say I love it, I love it. Okay. Bye, guys. Well, I figure I can tell you how to put everything back in. So again, guys, you just put everything back into your liking. Make sure everything is in there. Hold on. You just kind of got to stuff it in there. Make sure all the cords in there. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Make sure all the cords in there. And there you go. Okay?